I can't get a hold of it.
I can't either. They will not.
Still.
Oh, Matthew, just again, remember, chew it, because these guys are going to stick to you. Are you getting good footage of this?
All right. Just.
Okay, we're ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Not bad.
You know, you're right. It is not bad.
How long you want me to do this?
I don't, it doesn't matter as long as we get some good footage of this that you can you email it to me? Or
Probably.
whatever. Anything, I don't know what it is, but you, okay. This is like,
You're Justin, get one of me. Ah, it's attacking me. How did you pick that up, Luke? Alright.
we just got to eat. Okay, I don't think I'm exaggerating when I say that this has now become the best trip I have ever been on in my life.
I know, we saw
These
Weezer,
are
we ate live octopus.
Live octopus. This week is not going to get any better. It is. I mean, it is. And then I'm going to... Suck it in like spaghetti.
Yeah, let's get that. Let's get that, Matt.
I'm pretty sure it might try to strangle me, but okay.
Like, can you do spaghetti? Can you do spaghetti?
Oh my goodness.
Plate. Oh my gosh, what is that I just spilled?
Just his soup.
One more.
Oh, this is just the best.
It
You know,
tastes good.
yeah, it's